Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Willie T with an E and a 3, and we back with another video. Today, man, today we're gonna show you how to get down a 400 horsepower Civic Si. This is a Honda stand page, Honda Civic stand page. I'm trying to tell you that right now. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. It's finna get real. Alright, so damn. Yeah. Oh, let's get right to it. Why am I talking? I don't know, but shit. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification. For real. I'll do it.
This car is a sleeper. What's up, boys? We have a Pontiac G8 right in front of us with a Corvette logo. I got my bro, he's eating right now. But we're still gonna line up with him.
He said with a what? With a Corvette logo. I ain't even mad.
It's going. It's going. Go next time.
Wait a minute. Did this nigga just downshift from 6,000 RPMs? This nigga just downshifted from 6,000 RPMs. Oh my gosh, bro. Civic's built different, bro. I don't care. If you downshifted from 6,000 RPMs in any other car, whole engine transmission would have been obliterated. Look at this shit. Look at it.
Going. Go next time.
What?
It's going. It's going.
Reeling him in, reeling him in.
Pass it. Pass it. Pass it. Oh, pass it, bro. What the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, this thing got a whole motherfucking food truck, this bit. That boy got everything. Supersize me.
Oh, pass it.
Oh, dog, you're right.
Yeah, but pass it,
STI.
bro. You think it's a shit.
Man, I just smoked his ass.
Smoke is not good.
Smoke
Do it
his ass,
again. There's
dude.
an STI right there.
That shit's not fast.
Bro, I have like 1 bar of gas, bro.
Yeah, but gas station's right there, bro.
It don't matter.
Are you gonna do it or not?
I'm gonna pass his ass, Raj. Hold on.
You haven't passed his ass.
I will right now, don't worry.
He has the GT, the GA, that shit, and on the side has the LSX.
Oh shit, no, Oh, that BMW though.
Jeez. I gotta give me a Honda, bro. I think it's time. I think at every point of a car through this life, they gotta build a Honda. But they be skipping that phase, bro. That's alright. You gotta pull that logo. Damn, that shit sounds
With
good.
the BMW, we could for sure line up with them, but I gotta take a jump.
Yeah, we're gonna lose.
We're gonna lose for sure, but we're gonna take the jump.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Next to him. Next to him. Next to him. He's gonna
I don't
go.
see how fast he really going.
He's like, man.
He like, I ain't finna race no slow ass Civic. What is that, an SI? That shit got 200 horses. But I ain't finna race that shit. I need him to smoke this nigga, bro. Real shit. Also, I've been watching Initial D. Why ain't nobody tell me that shit was fire? I mean, they probably did, but I never asked either. But that's a fire ass show, bro. I can talk about that shit all day. I'm not gonna lie.
He's like, man.
You don't want no smoke?
He's talking to someone on the phone and he's like, I'm not gonna do it. It's a fucking Honda. You didn't say what the fuck? you went forward so fast. He's like, what the fuck?
Nice, smiling.
Damn.
We're behind you.
He took the jump.
I don't think he would have won that race. He did take a fat ass jump though. It'd probably be a good race. He took the fattest jump I've ever seen in my life though, but I think it would be a good race.
Take the jump though, bro. go get some E85 ASAP. I want to do one good pull with him, but honestly, even though I was chasing him, like, if I would have taken the jump a little bit on him, I definitely would have won.
No, he has
If I would have taken the jump,
more power than you.
yeah, if I would have taken the jump just a little bit, then
how much power does those things have? Like 600?
I don't know. I think it's like 500, high 500s to the wheel, maybe.
Almost 600?
Yeah,
Jeez,
probably.
I don't think they make that much to the wheel.
This car,
It's like high 450. It's like 450 to the wheel. But y'all know full bolt on tune, you can get to 600 horsepower on them B50. No, that's not B50, that's S58, I think. S58, you can go full bolt on tune, and they probably like 550, damn near 600 to the wheel. But I think it started like 450 to the wheel. To the wheels,
it's a sleeper. It's starting to rain too.
Man, that short shifting, bro. He got.
Is that a 5.0? Yeah, it is. It is. It is.
This is a pretty fast Honda, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's quick. My fault. I can't call anything that's not over 700 to the wheel horsepower fast. It's a quick car. The car's quick, dude. Sorry. I don't know what to tell y'all boys. The car is quick. Hey, niggas.
That's just dope. Oh, it's spinning like crazy, bro.
And it's raining. Oh yeah, they gotta hit that bit right here.
All right, now let me coach you. All right. First
Relax.
gear, dead spin. Second
No,
gear.
no, I'm just.
Put in second gear, like 4,000 RPMs.
I know this car, man. I'm just trying to see.
Go ahead, go ahead. Got it. You got it right here. You got it. You got it. Go, 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 go. Take the jump. Yee, baby, let's go.
Damn.
Too soon, Junior.
Let's go, let's go. Oh, dude. You start reeling him in.
Hey.
So this is the first time my brother actually.
That would have been a good ass race. That would have probably been a good ass race. I feel like they on the highway, they had a nice little stretch. They lined up evenly. I think the Civic, I don't know. But here's the thing with road races with like tuners, like especially with Hondas and like Mustangs, is like V8 is gonna always, I don't know, V8's always real cars in, bro, cause like when they get high in when they get high in RPMs, their power band produces a lot more torque than like a Honda. Like, think about it, he gotta be damn near at 7,000 RPMs for his boost to kick in, for real, for real. That Mustang's gonna be constantly pulling though with every inch of RPM like every fucking centimeter RPM he pulls, bro. That torque gonna be there. The Honda, bro, it gave like he gotta be up in that bitch at full time, at all times. Type
drives
shit.
his car. He's still getting used to it, of course.
So it's been a good ass race. Neck and neck, the Mustang may have pulled away at the end though. But then again, turbos, you never know. Turbos might, Hondas, you can keep. The thing with Hondas, you need to keep in higher RPMs, and you can keep in higher RPMs. So that has been a good ass race. I don't know what to tell y'all, folks. That's how it. I would have went Mustang on the win if they was on the highway, did a nice little roll. But it had to be a long race. Like, it had to be a nice little race to like 130. You know what I'm saying?
But if I was driving it, guess what, bro? I would have smoked them. My agent, how's it like, bro? Like,
dude, the agent is just like, oots, oots, oots. This one is like, oots, oots, oots. I'm like, what the?
Bro, as soon as I said, let me coach you to my brother, he said, relax, relax.
Ooh, so spinning.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a blast. We're still learning this car. We still need to do a lot of adjustments to this car. But regardless, it is starting to put in work. And another thing is, guys, don't forget that we will be doing a giveaway regarding this car sometime in January. I'm really looking forward to it. And hopefully the best man wins this car.
That's cool as hell. That's cool as hell. That's cool as hell, man. I definitely want to tap into that Honda Civic world, that Civic boosty boy world. Definitely want to tap into that, man. We tapping into that for sure in the summer. But as of right now, man, y'all know I gotta talk a little bit at the end. I feel like at the end I should do a little motivation type shit. So like, you know, like today is a new day. Well, today is almost over with, but you're probably gonna watch this tomorrow, all honesty. So today's a new day, man. You gotta get up and get to it, man. Y'all, whatever y'all want to do that shit, bro. You trying to be a YouTuber? When's the last time you posted on YouTube? Huh? Oh, you said 2 weeks ago. Oh, you said 2 months ago. Oh, you said 2 days ago. Oh, you said a couple hours ago. You ain't posting for real. You ain't posting for real. Like, y'all gotta post, man. Y'all wanna do this influencer social media shit, y'all gotta post. And not on no every week shit, not on no every 2 week shit, not on some like, oh fuck, I ain't posting in a little minute. Like, nah. You need schedule, you need routine. This little motivation I'm giving y'all, bro, let me tell y'all some shit, man. Motivation lasts 5 minutes to 1 hour. You can only be motivated for a maximum like 1 hour. After that, it's pure discipline. Y'all need to be disciplined. Get some disciplinary studies in y'all shit. I don't know what I'm talking about. But no, discipline, 100%. On top of that, shit, we still on the road to monetization. We still on the road to 15 videos this month. I think we got like 10, 11 videos this month out of 15. And we still got like 15, 16 more days. So we gonna hit that 20 mark. Probably 20 videos this week. Yeah, man, it's kind of like I said, it's kind of like a journal type shit. So today is the 18th, and we trying to get at it while we can. Just every day we gotta wake up and get shit done, man, type shit. So, and I'm going to pick up a new camera tomorrow. And to be honest, you probably will not be able to tell the difference. This is Sony a6300 with a 30mm Sigma lens on it, 1.4 aperture. The new camera again is a Sony a6500. It's really not going to be a night and day difference. I only got the 6500 because I needed that in-body stabilization. In-body stabilization that they got. So you don't really see a difference on my TikTok. On my TikTok, you're gonna see a difference. But I think I want to start doing like fire ass car meet documentary type beat videos where like I go to car meets and like not like my other shit. Like I'm sitting down, I write a script, sit down, talk about what happened at the car meet, talk about the shows of the car meet and the car culture, but like with actual footage from a car meet and people and shit like that. And maybe get some interviews with them people. I don't know, but that's what I want to do. So this YouTube shit, this reaction shit is far. It's gonna be like my content I push out every day, but that shit gonna be like weekly type shit. Skirt. I got the fit. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications. I'll be talking a lot, but I don't be talking enough. Call me, I'm fluent in Japanese at this point. I stole that from another dude. A comment, but fuck it. Got this bitch. So at the end of the day, I either got you one or get you one. If you ain't got you one, you better get you one. Goddamn, give me one. If I get mine before you get yours, I'm gonna tear the city up for real. I just sit down on y'all. Alright, we out.